Okay, previously I gave you some information about logging and some logging level. Now let's go with how to format this logging, okay, or configure the logging system with a custom format. So up to here, or let's remove everything from here up to here. Okay, so I have imported the logging. Now I'm going to give a simple format here and keep it so simple to learn it, simple to remember it, simple. Okay, so I use logging and then basic config. Right in here we have something called format. Okay, so this format, it is equal to, in here we're going to use something. So the thing we are going to use is this one. So we have the format and then we have a modulo ask time, and then out of this parenthesis we have is, and then level name messages, and level is going to be logging debug. Right now I'm giving it as logging debug. Okay, and here let's give an example, usage example. So this is going to be debug, for example. Okay, so let's go and see that this is a debug message, and then save this. Okay, let's run it again to see. So right now you see that we have a better thing now. Before we had just debug and then root, and then this is a debug message, but now I have the time. Okay, you see we have 2024, and then I have this time, and then I have this little number here. Okay, and then I have the debug, and then I have the messages. So you see we have 1 2 3 argument here. Okay, and if I show you that right in here, that is also 3. So this part you see is all about the time, and this one is the level name that we added here. Okay, so it is debug because I use debug here, so it is debug. If I change it to warning, so it will be warning. And also this one, it is the message. What is the message here? This is the message that we added. Okay, so whenever we're trying to log something into a file, it is very important to have that time as well. For example, you have some kind of security issue with some kind of very important system, and someone, for example, hack to the system or delete something or do something that they don't have permission to do it, but you need to find them out. For example, there the time is very important. In that specific time, you know, for example, in that specific time just one person is in the room, and you go check the log and find out that in this specific time just only one person was in the room and they did something with the database, for example. Okay, so because of that, this time is very important with logging. So the format here, okay, the format parameter allow you to specify a custom format for log messages. The format string uses placeholder like this one. Okay, and also this one. Okay, this one, it is for timestamp, and this one, which is for log level, and this one is for actual log messages. So here you learn how to format a log message and add some kind of time, name of the level, and also the message here, so you can change it, okay, in the way you want.